The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and themes unsuitable for viewers under 13.
Guten Tag. Who am I speaking to today?
Howard Pierce. Who else?
You?
That's right, idiot. It's me. The one and only.
Wait a minute. I know you. You riesesame dude that blew up my boss office and killed Arya.
What do you think I am anyway, a terrorist?
More than that. Why do you think you destroyed Sotso's business anyway? To inherit his life. You worked with him, so why don't you trust him anymore?
Because he stabbed us in the back. We asked him to be by our side, but he tricked us into this crap. Where the hell are you?
That's none of your business.
You're in Eula, aren't you? I saw that on my Find My Kids app.
So what the hell do you want?
I want you to borrow me the drugs.
Drugs? What I need the drugs for? I don't even do them.
Eugene says that you kept them in your safe so no one could know about your addiction. You only got at least next week to get the drugs. If the deadline isn't met by midnight, you're dead. What the hell are you laughing at? Do you really think I'm joking? I'm not. Just give me the drugs by next week, or your family will never see you alive again. I mean it.
Scheiße. Should I be worried?
You always have to run that fast. Do you want to get yourself killed?
Dad, there is something I have to tell you. Do you know what day it is?
What?
Halloween. The calendar says it all. It's October 31st.
Chuck, we do not celebrate Halloween in Hungary. It only happens in America, remember?
But Dad, we used to celebrate Halloween in India.
Oh. You're right. But we're still not celebrating Halloween in Nyíregyháza.
To prove you wrong, Terence, Halloween is celebrated in Nyíregyháza, and they even have a party there. See? Look, I'm not wrong.
This kind of Halloween party is just bogus. It's not as big as what America is celebrating. Why do you think Halloween exists anyway? Just to get yourself involved in this kind of thing. Trick-or-treating is not a thing in Hungary. It never was. Oh, that'd be my son returning home with groceries on his hands.
Trick or treat.
Whoa, Burger Boy, what's this?
It's Halloween, silly. I'm wearing a burger costume this year because we wanted to have a burger night tonight, which was sadly postponed. But anyway, do you have the candies?
Oh, well, sorry kid. I don't have any because Fan ate them all. Wait, why does your voice sound so familiar?
Surprise!
Oh, what the hell? What are you doing at my doorstep? Do you think this is funny for you to just disguise yourself as any other kid on this planet? Huh?
I was only trying to make some sense out of you, Chuck. My mom always told me that you are a scaredy cat.
Yeah, just like you are. Always.
Hey, that's not so polite of you. We always respect each other on Halloween, and this is what I get. Well, guess what, Chuck? I don't care anymore. The day will come when you suffer everything you got, and it's no bluff. And one more thing, happy Halloween, you gutless old freak.
Well, that was rude. That kid in a burger costume turned out to be Axel and threatened me. Turns out that trick-or-treating and Halloween is real after all.
I told you so. I mean, what else could go wrong today?
Hey guys, check it out. Kendall just sent me something about a haunted mansion right here in Nyíregyháza.
Give me that. I want to see it. Wait a second. That's the Andrássy Castle. Since when did people ever call that haunted?
Because Kendall's dad Roy owned them, that castle, and lived there with millions of dollars or it. Yeah, he was really rich until he sold it. This castle has since been haunted because I heard on the internet that some random teenage idiot died while breaking into that place.
Irony.
Seriously though, is this mansion really haunted, or is this some sort of joke?
Well, there's only one way to find out. Well, here we are, guys. This is the spot.
Damn, that sure does look a bit scary.
How can it be scary? It's just a stupid mansion.
You know what I'm talking about. Some people told me that Count Dracula lived there with Roy.
False. Vampires do not exist, and they never did.
Guys, could you please shut up and go inside already?
Fine.
Hello. Is anybody home?
See, I told you this mansion is haunted. I mean, did you even see the ghost when we walked in?
Chuck, ghosts don't exist. Why must you be so delusional?
What are you trying to tell me, huh? That Halloween isn't real after all? Was it all just a dream? Everything was a lie. It was a lie all along.
Thank you, Chuck, but I think we should go and check the others now.
Yeesh. Look at this mess. I was expecting to see a dead body right there, and all I get is this.
Nobody moves! Stay where you are.
Dude, what the hell?
What's happening?
Shut up. If you make one mistake, I'll shoot.
Dude, just calm down, okay? We can negotiate about this.
Why should I? This castle was occupied by us, the Bad Piggies, when that furry fox's dad sold it. We built a drug empire there, and it's gone. We lost everything, and I want those drugs back.
Have you lost your mind? This castle never had any drugs. You're only making it up. I mean, what is wrong with you?
Either you retrieve the drugs to the Bad Piggies within the next few hours, or all of you die. Do you understand?
Stand back. I'll deal with this myself.
Oh my god. No, Dad.
What you done, right?
Are you gonna listen to me now? You give me those drugs, or I'll finish you both. Come on!
Not so fast.
Don't shoot. I'm unarmed.
Where's that German doofus? Huh? Where's John?
I can't tell you.
Liar. My boss said that John isn't hiding at Beulah. He was the one who took those drugs away from us, and you are clearly responsible.
Look, why can't we just talk this through? Yes, I used to work with you before, but I've changed.
And you stabbed us in the back? That money was for you and for the future of Bad Piggies, and now it's gone. You're gonna be so sorry for what you just did to us.
Please, I'm begging you. Just think about my family.
Your family is dead. We killed them all because they are corrupt and manipulative. They brainwashed us and filled our heads with pollution and other crap. And now it's your turn too.
FBI, stop! I'm placing you under arrest for possessing drugs and spreading them across Nyíregyháza. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you do say will be used as evidence.
You're not gonna get away with this, Zach. One day you will pay. Big time.
Time's up, fool.
Red, Fan, Kip, where are you? What are you doing here, and how did you break into my home?
We're sorry, Chuck. We did everything we could to save Terence's life, but there was nothing left to do anymore.
No, he didn't.
He's dead, Chuck. I'm terribly sorry. He's in the afterlife now.
You know we belong together, you and I forever and ever.